Hello boys and girls, this is Revit Magic and Tricks. In this tutorial we are gonna talk about how we can optimize the view to make Revit run a little bit faster. Okay, in this tutorial the question is how I can optimize the view to Revit work faster. If I have here some line of observation and then I look to this side, and here I have some two elements. I set my view range behind that two elements, and now in that view I can see all these elements. But now what if I have here some wall? If I look through here through this line, I can't now see this element because I have here the wall, but Revit still see this element, and that element is also still in RAM memory of my computer, and because of that in some of the view maybe I have some breaking when I scrolling, the Revit is not work very well, the Revit works slowly and so long. How we can fix that? Okay, go to the Revit. For this tutorial I create some skyscraper. Please don't look the architecture, I create this in 10 minutes just for this tutorial. I have here some building that have 25 levels, and for each level I put the large number of this desk just for have some a large file of the Revit. If I go here to my perspective view, and if I try to scroll, you can see how the Revit is slowly running now. If I just orbit that, you can see in my project is all of this desk on each floor. If I go back, how I can fix that? Okay, maybe you now say just go to visual graphic and just uncheck the furniture and that's it. Okay, but what if some reasons I want in this view see this furniture? You can see here I can see that furniture on the first, second and the third floor, and further I can't see that furniture because I have this floor. How can I fix that? Just go to 3D, and here if I go and select all of this, maybe my Revit is gonna blow. So just go to visual graphic, go here and select all and unchecked all of that, and just go here and only check the furniture. Go OK, and now we can see here all of that desk what we put in the project. Now just go here, select all of that, but I don't want to select a first, second and a third floor. Go here to filter just to filter only the furniture, and when that is selected, just go here to the 3D view and then go to the right click and then the hide in view elements. Now if I scroll, you can see how my view is better running. But I have here this furniture what I want. If I go and now orbit, you can see how my model is still running very good. If we want more of that, go again to 3D, to visual graphic, and then go again to all, unchecked, and then go here to the curtain panel and curtain system, select this, go to the OK, then just go here like this, select all of this in our opposite side of our view, and then go to the 3D view, the perspective view, and just again go to the right click and hide in view element. Now if you look, we see no difference in this view, but if I scroll, if I orbit or something like that, my model is now working very well. If I go to the another side, you can see here we don't have, just stretch a little bit this, you can see in this view we don't see that side of the facade. Okay, that's all for this tutorial. This is some simple explanation for something what everyone should know if working with a larger project in Revit. If you like this video, please subscribe, it means a lot to me to keep making videos like this. Go to Facebook and Instagram page, follow that, and see ya next time.